everyone, it's Robin, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today for dinner I made all the crispy bits macaroni and cheese. It's from a new book called Hot Sheet, and it was so fun to make. Macaroni and cheese made in a sheet pan. It's cheesy and delicious and super crispy. I'll show you how to make it.
Begin by grating the cheese. 3 different types of cheeses. So mix Gruyere and cheddar together and measure out 3 cups for the topping, and the rest goes toward the sauce. Now for the topping, take panko, the Parmigiano-Reggiano, salt, cayenne pepper, and unsalted butter, and give that a good mix. Set that aside for topping later. Now let's go over to the stove on medium-high heat. Just throw in the cavatappi pasta or any twisty pasta that you happen to have on hand, 3 cups of whole milk, and water. You want to bring that to a simmer and then reduce and keep on a very low simmer. And just keep simmering until it's al dente. Super easy, loving it. Wonderful. Remove from the heat and then add either smoked paprika or just sweet paprika. And then 1 handful at a time, add the cheese and mix in between. Wonderful. You just want to get it melted there. And then add a little bit more freshly ground black pepper. Now it's time to put on that prepared sheet pan. I have it buttered and some parchment paper down there for easy cleanup. And the hardest part of the whole recipe was handling my cast iron Dutch oven with 1 hand. Spread everything out evenly on the sheet pan and then top with the cheese and the breadcrumbs. And the oven is already preheated, ready to go. I'm going to bake that for 20 to 30 minutes. Just depends on how crunchy you want your macaroni and cheese. And there you go, crispy, crunchy topping. Those 3 cheeses together are absolutely divine. Loving it. The flavors are perfectly balanced. I love this twist on an old classic. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Have a great day, everyone.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. This is James T. We got him on New Year's Day. He's getting so big. Have a great day, everyone.